What's up, YouTube? Out here with a new YouTube video. This is the Nike Moon Racer. It's quite a nice shoe. Let's just take a look here. If you're unfamiliar with the Moon Racer, like most people, they don't carry them at Flight Club for some reason, but this is it. It looks pretty nice. It kind of reminds me of those high-end sneakers. It's got a kind of like a Sakai vibe, maybe it's quite a nice sneaker. It's a $200 retail price in Canada, although these aren't going for very much in big sizes. So you can probably pick up a pair for under $100. Depending on your size, obviously. So we got a gorgeous little sneaker bag here. It's quite nice. I didn't even notice the back. It's really nice. I mean, I don't really know what I'm looking at, but it's quite spectacular. Now let me throw these on here. Oh, before I forget, check out the inside here. It's got like a moon pattern on the sole. Now I find that on foot they're not as nice as I would have thought, but I'll let you be the judge of that. I would have preferred a 12.5 too, but unfortunately I don't think they had one. As comfort goes, it's okay. The sole is quite comfortable, but all this material here is not ideal in my opinion. I mean, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. Like, the aesthetic is quite pleasing. Ultimately, it is a nice shoe. Please let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I personally think they're nice sneakers. I don't think I need a 12.5, but it's quite an expensive shoe right now. Like $100 what I paid. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the link in the description to purchase these on StockX. It's an affiliate marketing link. Also, if you like the denim, check out the link in the description to purchase similar denim on Amazon. It's Scotch and Soda. I get a size 34 length so that the pants stack here. It's a little bit too long for me, I know, but they end up looking better. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description to support the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Goodbye.